Hey, thanks for watching. The last one cut out because my video died. Um, but now we're back. So let's go look at Odd Shark real quick and see, do we still have time before, or the game's at halftime still? Um, what is this? Why isn't it showing? Yes, this isn't live. Where are we in the games? Okay. Let's go to ESPN, NFL. Let's look at the live games. I want to make sure the stream is working. NFL on ESPN. Okay. Thanks for watching. Alright, come on. Hurry up. Hurry up. How's it taking so long? Third quarter just started, so we're probably gonna miss out on these games, but okay, so let's go to use classifier. Test classifier. Okay, so we're gonna do the classifier, then we're gonna get classifier. Where's class test? C equals classifier. Okay, seasons equals training seasons. Okay. Okay. Okay, so now we've got the classifier. Okay. Okay, so we're training it on 2020 and 2021, right? Okay. Now, pause that for a sec. What do we have on? Yeah, optimize classifier. So here we're running, we want to run optimize classifier. I don't think anything's actually running because the computer died. Slash NFL bets. Let's run that analysis. There's nothing printing anymore. Class test, do we print anything? Nope. Save. Okay, get rid of that. Exit out. Terminate. Classifier variation, that blah 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 underscore 2. Now, hell is that? Okay. CD desktop slash NFL bet. Python 3 analysis 1.py. Come on. Okay. So here's 2010, training on 2007. And the result is... Why is this going so slow? Like, the last one went way faster. I don't like this. Yeah, what's taking so long? This didn't take nearly as long before. Optimize classifier. Optimize classifier is 1. What the hell is taking so long? I'm lost on what the hell happened. I'm lost on what the hell happened. Is this even running? It's not. The file doesn't exist. Oh, man. Okay, here's 2013 training on 2010. I don't even get what we're doing. Okay, give me a sec. All right, so this is running, but we're not printing out as many things. We're testing it on 1 year and 1 week. Come on, man. Where the hell's that file? Okay, so whatever. Let's go back to this. So then we get the classifier. You gotta be kidding me. It doesn't even show the results. Okay, so then we get the classifier. Let's go see if it's in here, because nope. What the hell's that saving to? With open, classifier variation. I don't get what's happening, but it only has 2 more to go, so. Fucker. Okay. I have 1 more, right? Yep. Training on all weeks. Let's go get the spreads for these. Okay, so we want to get the spreads for the later games. Let's do this. So we're getting classifier. Total return equals c dot test classifier. What just happened? Oh, good. It did save. Oh, what? It saves. So what happened? Something made this way slower. I don't know. Okay, so now it's just going to do the same thing for 2 years back. Ugh. I'm kind of confused on what it's outputting here, but let's just go back. All right, let's make a classifier function. Where's the classifier? Get training years plot. Okay. Self. Self, home swing, away swing. Okay, so home swing and classifier. So in get classifier, self.x, self.y. X train is wins of 0, so okay, so what's wins and losses? Wins, losses, wins is away odd swing dot where classifier. Where is classifier? Okay, so when we get classifier, the X training data Y training data. Okay, so the Y spits out a 1 for a win and a 0 for a loss. And the X, so wins, what is the shape of wins? Wins equals away odd swing. Oh, so wins is just the swing of a team. Wins is just the swing of the team, so okay, let's go back to notes. I guess we could put notes here. So what do we want to say in our notes? Wins is home win or away win odd swings, then home win odd swings. Alright, now back down to the classifier. Alright, so then when we're training the classifier, X train is, so we're zipping together wins 0 and wins 1. So for I and X train. I'm not wondering if I'm doing this right. Wins of 0, wins of 1. Plus list of losses 0, losses 1. So yeah, we want to look at get analysis. Okay. Let's go. Alright, let's go desktop, NFL bet. Let's run the script. Did I not save this? I think I saved it. Come on. I wonder what's taking so long. Oh. It's just running really slow. That's weird. This is crazy slow. Wonder why. Maybe just because I'm low on charge. It's conserving resources. Okay, so now we have wins, losses, and stuff. So let's go back to here. Get classifier. Zip. Wins 0, wins 1. And let's do I for I in wins 0, wins 1. All right. Why are we doing that? Losses 0, losses 1. Zip wins 0 plus this. Now what is the error? I don't see how that's an error. Wins equals away odds swing dot where, comma home odds swing dot where win condition. So the win condition is that the home score is greater than the away score. So wins is the away odds swing, comma home odds swing. So when we're zipping them together, we're zipping together away odds swing, home odds swing. So that means in the classifier, where are you? Plot classifier, use classifier. It should be away swing, home swing. Okay, classifier equals get classifier. Seasons, training weeks. classifier. So where do we define the threshold and stuff? Plot classifier, use classifier, test classifier. Oh. Then we have to predict probability, self.clf. Loss probs. Okay. Foresee when in if probability is equal to win probs. Okay, so then we predict the probability and we say if probability is greater than threshold, place the bet. Okay, so that's use classifier. So then we could just say classifier equals, okay, so then get classifier. Oh no, it's back to that again. Classifier variation, so 0.5. Going back one. Okay, great. This thing's going so slow that we're not going to get good results here. Okay, so then we get classifier, then we could say classifier dot go in home file, save as line history. Oh, cool. Week 1. No, let's just save it as week 1. .xlsx. CD 2024 data. Okay, I should pull this up. Okay, so put that there. Let's just say 2024 data, line history. Okay. Data equals pd.read underscore xlsx, and we're just gonna read, what is it in again? 2024 data slash line history slash week 1.xlsx. Okay, copy that. Let's go into Python. Import pandas as PD. Come on. And let's paste our line in there. Read Excel. Yep. Okay. Alright, home swing. Alright. Okay, so now let's just look at what the list of this data looks like. Okay, so now we have home swings, away swings. Now we could say for home swing, away swing in zip. Data, change that to Excel. Data of home swing, data of away swing for C, for C, comma blank in enumerate. All that crap. Then we're gonna say probability equals classifier dot, what do we want to do? Dot use classifier home swing, away swing. Classifier dot use classifier home swing equals home swing, away swing equals away swing. What's wrong with that? That's fine. Okay, so now we have our probabilities, so then we just want to say print print up here okay, and then here we just want to print data. Let's just print a function string. In here we could say data of home, data of, what's that called? Home, away, okay, at data of home, and then we're going to print the probability. Okay. And I think that should be good. So now let's just go in here. Use classifier. So now 2020 and 2021. Okay. So we're training on 2020 and 2021. Okay, start training it on all weeks. Let's see if this returns something for us. Classifier variation. Okay, so 1 week back with a threshold of 0.6 does well. There's 1 week back with a threshold of 0.6. Sorry, 1 year back. If plot home versus away equal true, 629, 629. Oh. Okay, let's use classifier. Now we can see how all of those picks are doing right now, and let's go get the other games for today. Alright, 1 p.m., 1 p.m., 1 p.m. Alright, 4:05 p.m. We're about an hour before game time. Last piece of information is at 12:42. I mean, this is just cumbersome because it started going so slow. See if we have any viewers. Oh. Live stream, current. Your channel. Maybe this isn't even live right now. I hope it is. Oh, good. Okay, blah, blah, blah. All right, so we want to test our data to make sure that we have a good strategy that works, but it's hard to do because this is running so slow. So let's turn on the classifier optimization, and let's just take it down to train on just 2021. Okay, let's train on all thresholds for year and years to look back. For year and years to look back. Class test. Num years to train on. Classifier type. Okay, so class test automatically does all seasons. So instead of going 2007 to 2022, let's just go 2020 to 2022. And then 2020, I mean, whatever. New window, new winder. Okay. Let's try to run it in here. I don't know. For C, home swing, away swing. It's taking forever to get those probabilities. I don't know why it's going so slow. Okay. Turn the test back on. Daniel is harassing me in fantasy football. Justin Jefferson's having a good game. Oof. Brutal year to be a tight end guy. Dang. What happened? Empty data frame, columns, year returns. The hell? Not enough values to unpack. For C, home swing, away swing, and enumerate, zip. Why is that so slow? Okay, for C. Swings. Home swing. Away swing is equal to. Show all. (2021) did really well. Looking back 1 year. No. Okay, home swing, away swing is equal to swings. Okay, how's that? No. Okay, so what happened here? Optimize classifier. Empty data frame. Class test. Okay, so if we go to class test. (2020 to 2022). Let's try that. Class test 1, use classifier 0, optimize classifier 1. Okay. Make sure that's saved. Run it. And now we can do use classifier 1, optimize classifier 0. Take that off and put this back on. Okay, Raiders at Chargers. Guess I'm gonna wait for these to update. 12:42, yeah, still not an update. We could wait like 24 minutes. Let's go and download all this data. So we have Tennessee at Chicago. Let's scrape this one. Oh, gotta go to Chrome. All right, now let's go back. Nope. What the hell? Odds Shark. How's this stuff doing? Okay. Seems like it's working. Training on 2 years with 0.6 threshold. Come on, please be good. Please be good. Oh, 2021 won't be good because it's using 2017. Yeah, that's not going to be good. But 1 year with 0.6 is good. Tennessee Titans at Chicago Bears. Okay, now let's get this one. And we have our recipe. Download as a CSV file. And this one, put it in desktop, NFL bet, 2024 data, line history, and what is this one? Panthers at Saints. Okay. Panthers at Saints. This one's Steelers at Falcons. Come on, data miner. Page scrape. My recipes. Odd shark. See saved file. Oh. Yo, that's not cool. Well. Okay. So now we've got that. Let's download as a CSV. How did that do? What? Had the same results in 2021. So that 0.6 threshold is nice. This one, what is this? Saints at Falcons. Saints at Falcons. Oh, Steelers at Falcons. Oops. Panthers at Saints. Date, home, spread, Panthers -5.5 plus 5.5. Well, obviously that's not it. So we should be good. Alright. Now back to here. Scrape this page. Page scrape. My recipes. Odd shark. Steelers at Falcons. Steelers at Falcons. Cardinals at Bills. Let's see how these are doing. Six and a half. Yep, that's right. And what's this again? Cardinals at Bills. Cardinals at Bills. Patriots at Bengals. Patriots at Bengals. And then minus 6.5 plus 6.5. Minus 7.5 plus 7.5. Patriots at Bengals, I mean. Yarg. What? Yeah, Patriots at Bengals. Very good. Okay. Patriots at Bengals. Colts. Texans at Colts. Minus 7.5 plus 7.5. We scrape. Good. Texans at Colts. Texans at Colts. Jaguars at Dolphins. Jaguars at Dolphins. Download CSV. Jaguars and Dolphins. Nice. I'm getting the hang of it. Jaguars at Dolphins. Vikings at Giants. Vikings at Giants. Very good. Okay. Now, did that one run? Come on, man. Use classifier self.clf.predict proba. In predict proba xt equals transform.transform. Shape 1 minus 1. Array.reshape 1 minus 1. Okay. Classifier, where are you? Away swing, home swing. Dot reshape 1 minus 1. Let's make sure that operation works. Come on, start up. Oh, I see. Oh, god damn it. No. I have to terminate that. Go back to the booleans. Optimize classifier off. Use classifier on. Exit out of here. Make sure that's saved. Desktop / NFL bets. Run analysis 1. Okay, so this using threshold 0.5, negative, threshold of 1. Sorry, these are both 0.5. Nothing. Threshold of 0.6. Threshold of 0.6. Okay. And what's this doing? Alright, that's fine. Interesting. Okay. Now, Is this one? Okay, we're still waiting for that to run. Let's go put in our beginning and ending here. We could download all the data later. Line history. Is there any updates to the line? No, still at 12:42. But it has to be moving before game time, right? I would think. Alright, let's just put it in. Raiders at Chargers. Starts at minus 155 plus 130. What's it start at? 155 minus 155 plus 130. And it closes at minus 154 minus 154 plus 134. That's not much. Alright. Seattle versus Denver. Seahawks versus Broncos. Let's go here. Starts at minus 205 plus 170. Should be moving in favor. Should be moving for the Seahawks, I think. Minus 280 plus. Holy crap. Moving strongly in favor of the Seahawks. Okay, next one. Seahawks, Broncos. Dallas versus Cleveland. Alright, so Browns hosting the Cowboys. Opened at plus 100 minus 120. Ended at minus 135 plus 115. Okay. My gosh, that's taking forever. It's gonna drive me nuts. Activity monitor. Okay. Because OBS Studio is using a lot. Oh, so OBS plus Python is a huge data drain. Okay. Good. What? Name. Home. What? I don't even know what to do with this. What am I printing? Come on. Print data of away at data of home probability. Classifier equals get classifier, so maybe it's still getting classifier. No, we printed the results. Data of away. Oh. At data of home. Damn it. At data of home of C of C. Okay, 0.51, 0.52, 0.61, 0.62, 0.71, 0.72. Okay, so now what we're going to want to do is go in and change the thresholds to be 0.6, 0.62, 0.64, 0.66, and 0.68. Okay, years to look back should just be 1. Class test, missing years, test weeks. Oh. Testing on week 1. All right. Terminate. Terminate. Now this one's going to be, okay, let's run this real quick. Data OAC, data home C. Okay. Probability. Probability equals classifier dot use classifier. It's returning a list for home away, so use classifier. Use classifier self.c. So in test classifier, we predict the probability for C loss and enumerate blah 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 blah. Loss probs. Oh, probability is that probability. Loss probs of C. Coffee's out again. Okay, let me check how the stream's doing. Do we have viewers? Oh, did I exit out? Did I exit out? Yes. Okay, never. Well, let's check it. Okay, so what are we trying to do? We want to know what predict proba is returning. Prob is equal to loss probs of C. Loss probs of C. If prob of 1 is greater than placement threshold, then you make it. Otherwise, if prob 0 is greater than placement threshold. Okay, so that's the probability. Probability home team wins, probability away team wins. Probability 0 of 0. 100 times, and then we'll just, to make it look nice, np.a round that to 2 decimal places. Okay. Make sure the booleans are right. Yep, just want to use the classifier. Now let's save this. Okay, let's use the classifier. Hopefully it'll run quicker than last time. Let's see. Man, this thing's going so slow. I don't know if I'm streaming too much. Do we have any? Oh, good. We have one viewer. Thanks for viewing, whoever you are. Oh, Nathan Emmanuel. Hello, Nathan. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I'm kind of stuck. We want to return what bets to make on here. It doesn't matter if we define a threshold or not. Okay, now we're in optimize. Let's change where we're saving the data. Save that as 3. Then let's turn off use classifier and let's turn on optimize. Save it. New window. New window. Okay, let's go into our folder. Now we can just run it. Great. So then it's giving us the home win probability. Patriots at Bengals. It really likes the Bengals. Okay, so Broncos at Seahawks. It's giving a slight advantage. It's not making a pick. Cowboys at Browns. It's not making a pick. Raiders at Chargers. It didn't make a pick. Vikings at Giants. No pick. Okay. It picked the Bengals. I mean, yeah, so if we use the threshold of 0.6, then it's picking Bengals, Cardinals, Steelers. Let's see how those picks are faring so far. Bengals, Cardinals, Steelers. Okay, whatever. ESPN, NFL. Come on, hurry up. Okay. Okay, so what are the picks we're making again? Steelers, Cardinals, Bengals. Cardinals down by 3. Bengals. Wow, New England's going to beat Cincinnati. Steelers, Cardinals, Bengals. Steelers looks like are going to win. Okay. So we would have lost one, got killed on that Bengals bet. Okay, and what's the strategy we're using here? So on use classifier. Okay. So it did poorly if we trained it on 2 seasons. But what if we just train it on... Okay, hold up. What if we just train it on week 1 of the previous seasons? How does it do? Oh shit, damn it. Terminate. Okay. What are we doing? Oh yeah, we have to change this in here. Training weeks is 1. Go up to our booleans, turn this off, and then turn use classifier on, and then run it. Let's put our other games in here real quick. Okay, Browns at Cowboys. Oh, Browns versus Cowboys. Buccaneers versus Commanders. Start at minus 205, 182. And it moved to minus 195, 170. What else do we got? Bucks, Commanders, Lions, Rams. Okay, Lions, Rams. Anything here? Nice. Okay. So it's giving us a toss-up on each game. Okay. Let's train it on 2018, 2019, 2020, and 2021. Just on week 1. And check the booleans. Okay, good. Okay, now let's see. My variation 2, 3. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay. So let's go back to the classifier test, or the classifier optimization. Oh. Same exact thing. Okay. Turn that off, turn the optimization on. And then when we're doing the optimization, okay, let's use 0.52, 0.54, 0.56, 0.58, and 0.6. 0.6, we already know how it will do. Years to look back is 1. Okay, that's good. Okay, save, run it. Okay, now let's put the rest of the data into our Excel file. Let me go to the bathroom real quick. Okay, nice. So how do we get that output? Training on all weeks, 2018 through 21. So what picks did it make? It picked the Steelers, Cardinals, Bengals, Steelers, Cardinals, Bengals, Giants. Also picked the Giants. Oh shit, it's starting right now? Oh man. Also picked the Giants. So are the Giants winning? Giants, how are you doing? Oh, they got crushed. So Arizona would have lost. New England would have lost. The Giants would have lost. But Pittsburgh won. Okay, I would have picked Pittsburgh. I want to make picks for the later games so we could start having a record of how we're performing. We'll see how this turns out. For now, I mean, this doesn't look like a very successful strategy. But out of these picks, I wouldn't have picked Arizona over Buffalo. I wouldn't have picked New England over I would have picked Cincinnati over New England. I wouldn't have picked the Giants to beat Minnesota. And I would have picked Pittsburgh to beat Atlanta. So yeah, just to get some picks on the table, this is probably not the best, or probably not good at all, but we just want to get picks on the table. So home, away, my pick. Okay, and these are gonna have to be live. Is it picking? It's not saying anything for Seahawks. Oh, good. So now we could go to classifier variation. Okay, so that will be in 3. .52. 0.54 is very successful. Okay, let's go with the 0.54 threshold. Then we would have picked Titans. Okay, so let's write these down. We would have picked Titans, Panthers. Titans. We also would have picked Panthers at Saints. Panthers. We would have picked Steelers. We would have picked Cardinals. We would have picked Bengals. We would have picked 5-4. Nope. Wait, 5-4. If it's above 0.54. It's not that. Jaguars at Dolphins. Jags. Vikings at Giants. Giants. We pick Raiders. Okay, now, how did we do there? Okay, so Titans lost. Panthers. Carolina Panthers. Is that game not over yet? Panthers are getting crushed, so that's a loss. Steelers won. Cardinals lost. Bengals lost. Jaguars lost. Oh man. Giants lost. Raiders. The Raiders. Raiders, where are you? Oh. Oh, that game just started. Okay, so we would have lost all the bets except for one. What if we make the threshold really high? What about this? Would I have picked... Yes, I would have... Okay. Would I have picked the Titans to beat the Bears? No. I'd feel sketched out about that game. Would I have picked the Panthers to beat the Saints? Sure. I see no reason why not. Would I have picked the Steelers to beat the Falcons? Yes. Would I have picked the Patriots to beat the Bengals? Absolutely not. Oh. Cardinals to beat the Bills. No, I would not have picked the Cardinals to beat the Bills. Definitely wouldn't have picked the Patriots to beat the Bengals. Oh no, I definitely would have picked the Bengals to win. Definitely wouldn't have picked the Cardinals to win. Jaguars at Dolphins. I would have picked the Jags. Giants. I wouldn't have picked the Giants. Yeah. This is a losing strategy right now. Or it would have won on the, or it would have lost on the early games today, so I don't really feel comfortable making any picks. So this was unfortunate. An unfortunate start to the season. I was hoping to get some better stuff. Let's just go scrape the rest of the data for now. I'm gonna call it quits on trying to make picks, because you know, if that had if it had performed well on the morning games, then that's all good. But oops, I don't want to look at that. Forgot I didn't have the PowerPoint up. Okay, I'll have to put the PowerPoint up. Okay, where's Odd Shark? Exit out of that. Now, Dallas Cowboys at Cleveland Browns. Do I have Cowboys at Browns? Nope. What's the most recent one I have? Come on, hurry up. Do I have Raiders at Chargers? No. Vikings at Giants? Nope. Vikings at Giants, Texans at Colts, Jacksonville. Do I have Jaguars at Dolphins? Yes. But I don't have Vikings. Okay. Okay, scrape this page. Oh, come on, man. Oh, man. Okay, I'll scrape those later and just add it. And then I'm going to start streaming every day to try to get this strategy to work. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully next week I'll be able to make some